Gentlemen, let's be real for a second. Almost every man does it. It's normal, natural, and part of being human. But what most men don't realize is that what you do after masturbation can quietly mess up your body, your mind, and even your hormones. And that's why, today, I'm going to expose 6 things you should never do after masturbating. If you care about your energy, your focus, and your male health. I'm Dr. Luna, a men's health specialist who spent years studying the effects of modern habits on male vitality. And trust me, what you're about to learn might completely change the way you see your post-release habits. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. 1. Don't fall asleep. Immediately, I know, the temptation is real. You finish, you feel relaxed, and your brain says, let's just sleep. But here's the truth. When you masturbate, your body releases a surge of prolactin and oxytocin, which makes you feel calm but also drop your dopamine levels. If you fall asleep right after, your body gets stuck in that low dopamine state for hours. That's why the next day you wake up feeling lazy, unmotivated, or foggy. After finishing, take a few minutes to breathe deeply or stretch your body. Drink a glass of water and do some slow walking for 5 to 10 minutes. It helps your body balance hormones faster and resets your brain chemistry. Think of it like this: post-release movement helps you flush out fatigue and restore your energy faster. 2. Don't feel guilty or shameful. This one is psychological, but it's extremely important. Many men, especially those raised in strict or religious households, feel guilty right after masturbation. That guilt leads to stress, and stress increases cortisol, which in turn reduces testosterone. Over time, this guilt loop damages your confidence and your ability to feel masculine energy. Listen, masturbation itself isn't evil. It's only harmful when it becomes an addiction or replaces a real connection. So if you do it, accept it as a normal biological process. But use it mindfully, not to escape boredom or loneliness, but to understand your own body. After releasing, close your eyes and breathe. Say to yourself, I control my habits. My habits don't control me. That mindset alone separates a strong man from a weak one. 3. Don't ignore rehydration. This is one of the most overlooked parts of male recovery. Every time you ejaculate, you lose fluids, not just water, but zinc, magnesium, and essential electrolytes. These are critical minerals that support your testosterone, muscle recovery, and energy levels. When you don't rehydrate, your body stays dehydrated longer, leading to fatigue, headaches, and reduced blood flow. Within 10 to 15 minutes after finishing, drink a full glass of water with a pinch of Himalayan salt or a squeeze of lemon. This helps restore minerals and improves circulation. You can also add a zinc supplement or eat foods rich in zinc, like pumpkin seeds or almonds. Remember, rehydration equals faster recovery equals stronger energy. 4. Don't eat heavy or junk food. Immediately after masturbation, your digestive system is in a low-energy phase. Your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode, is active. If you eat heavy, oily, or sugary foods immediately, your body gets overloaded and digestion slows down. This is why some men feel bloated or sluggish afterward. Wait at least 20 to 30 minutes before eating. If you're hungry, go for something light, like a banana, yogurt, or a handful of nuts. Avoid fast food, alcohol, or sugary snacks. Your body needs clean energy to recover, not junk that slows your blood flow. Think of it like this. You just asked your body to perform a release. Now give it nutrition, not punishment. 5. Don't sit in the same position for too long. Most men finish and then sit, scroll their phone, watch videos. But here's the hidden problem. After ejaculation, pelvic blood flow decreases temporarily. When you sit still, you make it even worse. Poor circulation after release leads to tension in your pelvic floor muscles and sometimes even lower back discomfort. Stand up, stretch your lower body, and walk around for 5 minutes. Try a few gentle hip rotations or forward bends. This keeps your pelvic region relaxed and prevents long-term issues like weak erections or pelvic stiffness that many men face in their 40s and 50s. Movement equals circulation. Circulation equals strength. 6. Don't overdo it again and again. This is the big one. Many men fall into the trap of just one more time. You tell yourself, I'll stop after this one, but before you know it, hours have passed. Here's the truth. Frequent or back-to-back sessions train your brain to seek constant dopamine release. That leads to mental fog, low energy, social anxiety, and even erectile desensitization. When you release too often, your dopamine receptors become less sensitive. That means real-life pleasures, like touch, conversation, or love, stop giving you the same satisfaction. If you want to stay strong, disciplined, and sharp, learn the art of control. You don't have to quit forever, but you should never let a natural urge become a mental addiction. Try practicing semen retention for a few days each week. Use that energy for workouts, learning, or creativity. You'll feel your focus and confidence rise within days. Here's a powerful 3-step routine I teach my patients to recover properly after masturbation. Rehydrate. Drink water with minerals or coconut water. Relax. Do slow breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6. Reflect. Ask yourself why you did it. Stress, boredom, or real desire? The more awareness you bring, the more control you gain. Remember, control isn't about repression. It's about redirection. Gentlemen, what you do after release matters just as much as what you do before. Your post-habit actions decide whether you feel powerful or drained the next day. So avoid these 6 mistakes. Don't sleep instantly, don't feel guilty, rehydrate properly, skip junk food, move your body, and avoid overdoing it. Your body is your temple. Treat it with respect, and it will reward you with energy, confidence, and masculine vitality that lasts for decades. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Small daily habits build a stronger, more disciplined man. I'm Dr. Luna, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Stoic Pro for more science-based men's health advice, and comment below. Which of these habits surprised you the most? Stay disciplined, stay sharp, and stay strong. See you in the next video.